Welcome to Amar, where luxury living meets tranquility amidst the breathtaking panorama of the Noosa hinterland. Designed by the esteemed Paul Clout Design and meticulously crafted by Clout Build, this expansive, brand new residence offers an unparalleled retreat mere minutes from vibrant Noosa. Passing through the electric gates, the statement date palm in the circular driveway hints at the grandeur within. Amar captivates with perfectly framed vistas, clean lines, and open-plan living spaces that seamlessly blend with the pristine surroundings. Marble stone and oak flooring create an ambience of understated elegance throughout. This sanctuary boasts every imaginable luxury, from the infinity pool overlooking Cooroy Mountain to the bespoke wellness retreat featuring a gym and sauna. The living area, with its inviting fireplace, offers a sanctuary to unwind and soak in the stunning backdrop. Large sliding doors blur the boundaries between indoors and out, extending the living space to the impressive cantilever design. The gourmet kitchen is a masterpiece of design and functionality, equipped with high-end appliances and features stone benchtops. 5 spacious bedrooms, all ensuited, offer luxurious comfort, with the master bedroom showcasing breathtaking ocean and mountain views. Amar also features a temperature-controlled wine cellar, whisky room, cinema, and a private lift, ensuring every day feels like a lavish escape. From the rejuvenating sauna to the captivating views, every aspect of Amar exudes sophistication and luxury, offering a haven of rejuvenation and self-care surrounded by nature's serene embrace. This is more than just a home. It's a retreat, a sanctuary, and a testament to opulent living at its finest. Welcome to Amar, where every detail reflects an unwavering commitment to excellence and timeless appeal.